Hi friends, I welcome you all to this video. This is the last lecture on intersection of solids. So we are going to see one problem here, one drawing here, and after that I will finish this unit, intersection of solids. Okay, and this is the 16th lecture on drawings on intersection of solids, and this is the last one. So that from the next class we are going to see the another chapter which is called the development of surfaces. And myself, I am Arun Pondian, lecturer of mechanical department, James Polytechnic College. The content is cylinder standing and cylinder penetrating. Okay, so this already in previous also we have seen one more same with the same topic drawing where cylinder stands and cylinder penetrates. Here also same thing, but there are small changes. Okay, how where we are going to see that in this video. Is a cylinder of 50 mm diameter of base and 60 mm long axis is standing on its base, is penetrated by another cylinder of same size with the axis of penetrating cylinder parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. The axis of two cylinders are 9 mm apart. This is important point. The axis of two cylinders are 9 mm apart. Okay, this is important. Draw projections showing curves of intersection. Okay. The given data are there are two cylinders. The first cylinder diameter is 50 mm and axis 60 mm. There are two cylinders same with the same dimension. Okay. So write the cylinder 1 diameter 50 mm and axis 60 mm, and cylinder 2 diameter 50 mm and axis 60. Red color cylinder is here. This is one cylinder and this is the next cylinder. If these two penetrate each other, how it could look like. But only one thing, again I'm telling, as per the sum, it is 9 mm apart. Okay, that is important point. Now we are going to start the drawing. Okay, so as for the given data, 50 mm diameter circle and the side lines. It is invisible. If you see deeper, you can see the lines which is drawn there. Okay, center line. Seventy mm axis, center line. This one is 9 mm apart. That line is that. Okay, so from center 9 mm. Okay, so 9 centimeter. It is 9 mm, and then put a point there. Now draw a circle by keeping the center which is 9 mm apart. Got it? Okay. And then as usual. Till here only there are some changes. After that everything is as usual only. Okay. Every area draw a line. Same way, now here it started to started drawing here. And then you can draw straight line also, otherwise you can draw arc also. It is your wish, okay? You can draw straight and you can connect also, otherwise you can't draw as you are seeing in the video, like that also you can draw, no problem about that. Now extend every lines, then here the box comes, okay? So till here, 2 cylinders are over. Now we are going to finish the intersection of curvature. Just see how and where the points comes, from where the line has to be started. Okay, just do one step by step. Then okay, just see one step by step where the points has been kept, okay, so that you can get an idea how to draw the lines and where the points will come. Same parallel, how you are drawn on the left side, same parallelly on the right side also. Where you kept the points, the same area you are going to put the parallelly, as like how you kept on the left side, same way onto the right side also. Okay, so now start to draw the curves. Dotted lines, the side dotted lines. Okay, so this is the intersection of curvature. Okay. So for this, we have taken the references from Mechanical Engineering Drawing, which is written by Vishwajit Ranjan and Deepak Kumar, and also Machine Drawing, which is written by PS. And the summary is, on this class, we have seen the cylinder standing and cylinder penetrating. So this is the last lecture of intersection of solids. In the next lecture, we are going to see the another topic and another unit 3, development of surfaces, and one will be theory, and as usual same 7 drawings we are going to see. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next class. Till then that. Okay, so till then that, thank you.